Hello and welcome to a slightly different setting than what you're probably used to, what I'm used to. I'm on holiday, but I can't miss the 3 uploads a week. So what I'm going to do in this video is quickly run you through the new-ish feature where you can have a country filter on your forms in Squarespace. So instead of having to just have the random sort of number, what would you call it, like a number element in the forms, you can now have a specific country drop-down to collect better data on people's phone numbers. So let's hop into it. First thing that we need to do is find our contact form. I'm going to go, this is another website that I have, it's called Wireframe Designers, by the way. If anyone needs graphic design services on demand, we have obviously a really cool site because I built it, but then we also have these two options. So go to bycrawford.com, or well, go to wireframedesigners.com, but if you want to check out my Squarespace site first, go to bycrawford.com. There's a folder drop down, you can see design on demand. Anyway, so go into pages, and if you haven't already got a contact page, make one up, but that isn't the point of this video. If you go to, I'm going to just use the get started page here, go into edit, and then you want to find your contact form. So here I have a form, I've just set a random form up. Now, you can see already I have the phone number, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that out and I'm going to add it back like this. So just to quickly recap, let me move me out the way. You want to click add field, then you're going to go to phone, and then I'm just going to drag that back up to, I think it was there, that looks about right, and then click on phone. You can label it whatever you want, you can put a description in if you wanted to say like add your number. Add your number. I don't have that because it looks stupid. But then you can have country drop down like so. I don't have it on this site just because it throws everything off and it looks a bit janky. So yeah, it's completely up to you. But you can toggle it on, and then you can have required if you wish or not. So what that does basically is, if we look at it in action now, so I've just got that saved. Then we go to wireframedesigners.com, get started, and then we go down, there we go, it has saved. So basically, when your user comes onto the site, this is what it looks like. They'll click on this, and they have all of the drop downs for like any country's code, which is a really nice feature. And then it's going to prompt them and say, hey, just put your number into here, and it's going to give them what their extension is, and then pop it in, easy peasy. So a really nice feature. I would encourage, if you're not following a style guideline like I am, to put this in because the functionality is great. If you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.